Are you ready to revolutionize your business communication in 2024? Discover the top tools and trends that can transform your operations and boost productivity. Unified Communications, UC, is the game changer, integrating multiple channels into a single platform for seamless transitions and enhanced collaboration. Imagine a world where video conferencing tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams are essential, offering features like screen sharing and virtual backgrounds for remote work. Choosing the right business communication solution means evaluating scalability, usability, and customizability to meet your organization's needs. In today's interconnected business environment, communication solutions must offer a wide array of features to meet diverse needs. These solutions have evolved beyond phone calls and emails into comprehensive platforms that facilitate seamless collaboration. Business communication software now includes business phone systems, video calling, group messaging, and file sharing. Unified Communications, UC, is transforming business communication by combining voice, video, instant messaging, and collaboration tools into one platform. UC solutions create a seamless environment where employees can switch between different modes of communication effortlessly. This flexibility is crucial in today's hybrid work environments, breaking down traditional communication silos. Video conferencing has exploded in popularity, enabling face-to-face communication and collaboration even when team members are geographically dispersed. Modern video conferencing tools offer features like screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and interactive whiteboards for effective meetings. Instant messaging and chat apps have become indispensable for quick, efficient communication, alleviating email overload. Platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and WhatsApp offer features tailored to business needs, including individual and group chats, voice and video calls, and file sharing. Navigating modern business communication, several solutions stand out, each offering distinctive features and benefits. Microsoft Teams is a dominant force, seamlessly integrating with other Microsoft productivity tools for comprehensive workplace communication. Slack revolutionizes workplace communication with its dynamic instant messaging platform, supporting various workflows and enterprise needs. Google Workspace offers a holistic ecosystem for business operations, including Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Docs, Drive, Meet, Slides, and Sheets. Zoom is synonymous with virtual meetings, known for its user-friendly interface, high-quality audio and video, and reliability. Choosing the right business communication solution impacts an organization's efficiency, productivity, and overall success. Scalability is vital, ensuring the platform can evolve with your organization, accommodating more users and growing data volumes. Usability is crucial, with an intuitive interface and seamless integration with existing tools to minimize the learning curve. Customizability allows organizations to modify the tool according to their unique needs and branding, enhancing user satisfaction. Effective business communication solutions bring substantial benefits, including improved collaboration, enhanced customer interactions, and streamlined workflows. Implementing these solutions can boost productivity by up to 25%, highlighting their tangible impact. Future trends in business communication include AI and automation, cloud-based solutions, and real-time analytics. Organizations that embrace these innovative technologies will thrive in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. The future of business communication is bright, offering exciting possibilities for enhanced connectivity, efficiency, and growth.